Welcome to our channel. In this session, we are going to discuss about job sequencing with deadline. What is the concept? They are given n number of jobs. Each job is associated with a deadline. Your aim is you need to execute the jobs within the deadline to get maximum profit. That means not only complete the job within the deadline, at the same time you need to get the maximum profit by the execution of the jobs. Now we are implementing this job sequence with the deadline by using greedy approach. Now what is the first step? The first step is arrange the jobs according to the profits in descending order. Why descending order? My aim is to get maximum profit. So first, which job you need to consider? The job which has the maximum profit, the job needs to be considered. So here this is job 1, J2, J3, J4, J5, J6. These are the jobs. What is the descending order? First one is J4 followed by 67, that is J1, next to J6, next to J2, next to J3, now J5. This is the order. Now implement this job sequence with the deadline with greedy. Here J, that is which job has selected and which job is completed. Now assigned slot, that is which slot we are assigned. Anyway, I will explain with an example. Along with assigned slot, what are the things you need to consider? That is which job you are consider, what are the action you are doing, finally what is the profit. So first, initially no job is in my final answer. Fine. No slot is allocated, none. Now step by step consider the job. First, which job you are consider? The highest one, that is J4. Now I am considering the job J4. Once you are considering a job, assign some slot for execution. What is the deadline? The deadline is to remember for any job, if the deadline is R, so first you need to allocate the last slot. Means suppose if R is equal to 2, how many slots are available? 2 slots. One slot is 0 to 1, one slot is 1 to 2. Means a job need only one slot for execution. Means suppose here a value 4 is given, means it does not need 4 units of time. The maximum time given is 4 seconds. Got the point? The maximum time given is 4 seconds. For execution it takes only 1 second. So R is equal to 2 means the maximum time is 2 seconds, either between 0 to 1 or 1 to 2. Which one you are considering? Always prefer the last one. Why? Suppose in my example I have one more job, their deadline is only 1. If the deadline is only 1 means what is the possible? 0, 1. Here this job is also executed 0, 1. This is the wastage. You got the point? If you have more time means always prefer the last slot. Why? The remaining slots allocated for some other jobs. So J4, that means deadline is 2. 2 slots are available. Now action, that is I am assign in the slot 1, 2. What is the profit you are getting? 99. Now J4 is completed. What are the assigned slots? 1, 2 means, so 1, 2, this slot is used by J4. Now no other job is not allowed to use this slot. One slot is used by only one job. So 1, 2 slot is used by J4. No other job is allowed. Now which one? Consider the next one, J1. What is J1? 3. Deadline 3 means 3 possible cases. 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. What is the last one? 2 comma 3. Profit 67. So 99 plus 67. So what is the value? So 6, 15, 16, 166. 166 is the value. Now which job is completed? J4 with J1 is also completed. What are the slots that are completed? 1 comma 2 is completed. Now 2 comma 3 is also completed. Clear? Now which job you need to consider? J6. What is the deadline? 1. 1 means only one possible, 0, 1. Till now 0, 1 is no one is used. So 0 comma 1. What is the profit? 45. 166 plus 45. 166 plus 45. So 12, 221. Now J4, J1 and J6. What are the allotted slots till now? 0, 1 is completed. 1, 2, 2, 3. Next is J2. J2. What is the deadline? 4. Possible slots are 0, 1 that is completed. 1, 2, 2, 3. Anyway 4 is you are considering 3 comma 4. 221 plus 34 means 255. 255. Now J4, J1, J6, J2. The allotted slot 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. Now which job? J3. What is the deadline for J3? 4. Which slot? So all the 4 slots are completed. So it is not possible to execute J3. So you are not getting any profit. Now the same here. Now the same slots next to J5. What is the deadline? 3. All the slots are completed means J5 is not at all executed. 255 is the profit. Now all the jobs are completed. Finally, what are the jobs executed? J4, J1, J6, J2. These are the jobs that are executed and you are getting a total profit of 255. Getting a total profit of 255. Anyway, calculate the addition. 100 plus 67, 167, that is 166. 166 plus 45. 166, 11, 10, 11, 11, 11. 211, 245, 245, 245. Just to addition. Anyway, you understand the procedure. Ignore the addition. You understand the procedure. So if the slot is available, then only the job is executed. If the slot is not available, the job is not at all executed. Anyway, here 4 represents not 4 seconds, means a maximum of 4 seconds is given, but for any job it needs only 1 second for execution. Always prefer assign the last to slot. This is the concept of job sequence with deadline. Anyway, we will discuss one more example, then you will understand clearly. Thank you.